Hey guys, welcome back to Cadillac Coachworks. Today I'm at the Orange County Cadillac Kings chapter barbecue. It's an all chapter barbecue. This was the chapter that pretty much founded. I was the first real president, replaced a not so good president. But let me walk around and give you guys a treat of all these gorgeous Cadillacs that are here. Talk to you soon. So let's start off things with a beautiful 1956 coupe. That is one of her cars. And then we have a beautiful, beautiful Eldorado. Gotta love these Eldorados, huh? Look how gorgeous this thing is. So pretty. And we have another Eldorado. Black one's a little bit of custom work. It's got a 429 in it. It's from it was sold to another member from another member. But it's beautiful hood vents like the Fleetwood. But we got a lot of Cadillacs. We got a 66 Eldorado right here. We got a 60 sedan, another Eldorado, 66 coupe, I think that is. But look at this inside of this one. Wood trim, bucket seats, top of the line back then. And we got this beautiful 64 coupe. We got nice interiors, canvas top, black, my favorite of course. Got a 63 Eldorado right here. Another pretty one. 61 coupe. Another 66. And with a with a diesel in it. Yeah. Got a diesel in it, so I'm sure it moves pretty good. Now this guy right here, one of my favorite. This was a top pick for me for doing the judging today. Beautiful. It's a beautiful looking car. Simple. Just got some air ride in it. Matching cooler. It's gorgeous. And then we have another one, but this one's kind of got that Lowrider paint on it, matching cooler. Really pretty paint job. Really pretty. Got some flannel inserts right there. And we got a 61 DeVille convertible here. This one's really pretty. Look at that interior. Look at that pretty design. It's gorgeous. Very clean. Then we have Dez's 65 coupe right here. Known this car for a long time. She had it parked for a little while, but she's bringing it back out. And we got a really nice 57 sedan here. And then we got this gem. It's a beautiful 56 coupe. This is a multi-show winner right here. This was just bought by the IE president. It's just absolutely gorgeous. Look at the steering wheel. Everything was restored on this vehicle. You can tell the difference between a restored steering wheel and an original one. It's just the shades are a little different, but this thing is gorgeous. All the chrome is perfect on it. Look at that. I'm not a huge fan of Continental kits, but this one doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad at all. And that obviously was not cheap. Not at the least. Then we have another 64 DeVille convertible right here. And 65, another 60 sedan.
Oh yeah. Which color it was? Which color is this? What's this color? Yeah. No, you said it was somebody's color.
Beautiful 64 coupe. 67. I can't tell if this is a 70 or what it is. No, 69. And this gorgeous car. It's yours?
Yeah.
It's gorgeous. I got a 52.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, working on it right now.
That's cool. Thanks.
Uh-huh. It's gorgeous. Love it.
Sweet.
Yeah, that's a beautiful 52. Look how nice that is. I really wish mine were like that. And even the lenses, the backup lenses are nice and clear. Look at the Flying Lady. Look how nice that is. And the front. So I also got some drone shots that I'm going to share with you guys. But yeah, this is a yearly barbecue that, you know, the Orange County Cadillac Kings do. If you're in the area in October or whatnot, come check it out and come see some beautiful Cadillacs. I mean, unless it's like a huge LaSalle Club meet, Cadillac Kings do the biggest Cadillac meets. We have so many members, so many members, and I'm glad that I've been a part of it for almost 15 years now. But enjoy the drone footage, and I'll see you afterwards. Alright you guys, well that's it for this video. Just thought I'd show you some of these beautiful cars. I got the engine in the 52. Well, there'll be more video on that later on, but yeah, you guys have a fantastic weekend. And again, like and subscribe, share with your car enthusiast friends my page. You know, I'm just one guy, and I try to share my love for these cars and all that fun stuff. So you guys have a great weekend.